The Galaxy S24 Ultra will have a new titanium frame, and we saw yesterday that even though titanium is heavier and denser than aluminum, the phone will still be lighter than its predecessor. However, what about the normal S24 and S24 Plus? The phone will undergo a slight design update, despite the fact that Samsung won't employ titanium in the standard S24 owing to cost considerations. According to the ICE universe, the S24 and S24 Plus will both feature a flat frame as opposed to the S23's slight outward curvature around the center. In fact, it's safe to say it would resemble the new foldables from Samsung, the Z Fold 5 and Flip 5 flat frame with a slight curvature at the edges. It won't be completely flat like the iPhone 14, but it will have a slight curvature at the edges similar to this phone from a Chinese company named Miso. In addition to having narrower bezels than the 2023 versions, the S24 and S24 Plus will also have a redesigned flat frame. In case it isn't clear, the S24 Ultra won't receive the flat frame due of the curved display, but the new phones will probably look fantastic. The 1/1.352-inch 10-megapixel sensor found inside the S23 Ultra, even the S22 Ultra, or even the S21 Ultra seems really weak, but at least on paper, according to Tipster ICE Universe, the S24 Ultra will get a 50-megapixel teleporter camera with 3x optical zoom. This means that even at non-native zoom capabilities like 5x zoom, the greatest sensor size and high resolution are projected to produce exceptional picture quality. Because of this, bear in mind that just this sensor will function when the zoom levels range from 3x to 10x. Because of the 4-in-1 pixel bitting technology, which means the super pixels will have a greater size than the standard pixel size, the 50-megapixel teleporter camera on the S24 Ultra is intended to improve low-light photography even at 3x zoom, making it better for lower light situations. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.